Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Days Inn by Wyndham Paducah. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring an outdoor pool and dry cleaning services, this Paducah hotel provides Wi-Fi free of charge to its guests. The National Quilt Museum is just 5 miles away. Cable TV, desk and ironing facilities are available in each air-conditioned room at Days Inn Paducah. Private bathrooms are provided as well and come stocked with a hairdryer and free toiletries. A free breakfast is provided daily to guests at the Paducah Days Inn. Free parking is featured on site and business facilities are available as well. The Kentucky Oaks Mall is just under 1 mile from the Days Inn Paducah, and the River Heritage Museum is 5 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.